How's it going, guys? Today we are going to be installing the off-the-line Signature Series Ignition Coils on my FRS. The OEM ones are known for overheating, especially if you track the car, so these are going to be a nice upgrade that is going to be more affordable, and they also give you a 10% increase in power output. Now, when I say power output, I don't mean your horsepower or torque. I mean the power that's supplied to your spark plug to prevent any spark blowout that may occur on higher horsepower builds. Now, these are completely plug and play. There's no tuning required. If you have a 13 or 14, you are gonna need to use the supplied adapter. Otherwise, if you have a 15 and up, they just plug right into place. So let's go ahead and get the old ones uninstalled from the car, and then we can get the new ones installed. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove my strut bar here just to give myself a little bit more room. If you don't have one of these, obviously you don't have to worry about it. It's just 4 12mm nuts that you'll need to remove if you do have one. We're gonna start off on the passenger side. We need to remove the 3 10mm bolts that are holding the ECU in place. There's 2 up top here and then 1 on the bottom. Once you have those off, we can slide the ECU back towards the battery and out of the way. Now we have access to the 2 coil packs on the passenger side. They're just held in with 1 10mm bolt each. So go ahead and loosen those. Once you have the OEM coil packs removed, you can take your new off-the-line ones and slide them into place. Once they're in place, we just need to tighten down those 10mm bolts. Don't need to be super tight, so don't overdo it. Just snug them down, and then we are set on this side. So over on the driver's side, we're gonna need to remove this fuel rail cover here that's held in with 2 12mm bolts. Once we have those removed, we'll be able to pull it out. Once those 2 bolts are removed, we can pull this up and carefully sneak it out. You'll also notice that I removed the brackets, or the bracket that's holding these hoses in place. That was just a 10mm bolt, and then I pulled the hoses out. Now we have plenty of room to work with. Once we have that cover out, we have access to the 2 coil packs on the driver's side. That's a little tight over here, so I'm gonna try my best to show you, but you might not be able to see much. Again, there's 2 10mm bolts that are holding in the 2 coil packs. Go ahead and remove those. And then you'll need to pull them out and disconnect them. Now we can slide the new ones into place. And then again, you just need to get the adapters connected, or if you're not using the adapters, just get the harness connected into the coil pack, tighten down those 10mm bolts, get everything reinstalled, and we are set. That pretty much covers it, guys. Pretty simple and straightforward install. It is pretty tight in the engine bay. If you find that you aren't able to do it the way I showed you, you can unbolt the engine mounts underneath the car and jack the engine up a little bit to give you some more room. These do come with an 18-month replacement warranty. So if you guys are interested in picking them up for yourself, the link is down in the description. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.